This presentation is about the relationship between students' learning motivation and their English communicative competence. In simple words, it checks whether stronger motivation is linked to better English communication. Okay, let's begin with the methodology. This slide explains the study design, sampling, data collection, and analysis. And the study is quantitative and correlational. So it focuses on relationships between variables. It is a single-site study at UPM, Faculty of Educational Studies. The participants or respondents are master's students from educational-related programs, including TESOL, educational psychology, and curriculum instruction, and so on. And the target sample size is around 100 respondents. For sampling, this approach is stratified random sampling across relevant groups, and the data is collected using a self-administered questionnaire, both online and offline. And it covers three parts: demographics, learning motivation, and communicative competence. And before the main study, a pilot test is conducted with about 20 students. And reliability is checked using cobranch alpha with a common target of 0.7 or above. And for analysis, SPSS is used for descriptive statistics, correlation, and regression. Okay, so the next slide shows who the respondents are and why they fit the topic. This study focuses on postgraduate students because English is part of their daily academic life. They are involved in English learning directly as postgraduate students, and they also use English for institutional communication, like emails or academic coordination. And in class, English is used for interaction, such as discussion and group work. And English is often used for research and presentation tasks. The criteria are clear. Participants must be masters of students in the Faculty of Educational Studies and UPM, and they must be able to complete an English questionnaire. And participation must be voluntary. Okay, with the respondents clear, the next slide shows the workflow step by step. And this slide shows the overall workflow. The sampling plan is set, and ethics approval is obtained, and consent is collected. Confidentiality is protected, and participation stays voluntary. And next, a pilot test is done to check the questionnaire. And after that, the final survey is distributed both online and offline, including Google Forms. And then the data is cleaned and coded. And SPSS is used to run descriptive statistics, correlation, and regression. And finally, the results are interpreted and discussed with reference to past studies. Okay, so that's the methodology and workflow for this study. Thank you so much.